How to pick the right gel for your manicure needs. First, why don't we go over all the different types of gels you can buy and what they do. Nail art foil gel. It is a clear gel that you paint on your nail, and once it is cured in the lamp, it leaves your nail sticky. Most commonly used for nail transfer foil because the foil sticks to the sticky gel, but I would say this stuff comes in handy because you can use it with other different kinds of nail art. Basically, anytime you need your nail sticky for things to stick to it, this is really good for that. Peel off gel base coat, which is a clear base coat. What you do is you paint it on your nails, then you can paint your color on. When you want to take off your manicure, it just peels off. I have a whole video wearing peel off base coat for a whole week, and I'll link it up in the I button and down in the description. So basically, if you ever want to peel off gel, this will suit the needs. Now, applying this to your natural nails and then peeling off your gel, anytime I've ever done that, it's kind of damaged my nails. But whenever you want to peel off gel, here it is. I love the square bottle. Next is watercolor gel. This is a clear gel that you paint on your nails and you don't cure it in the lamp, and then you apply a design on top of the nail such as blue dots, and it can give that water effect to nail art. And of course you can use it with blooming flowers or all of the above. It's really handy when you want to do elegant flower designs, so it's kind of similar to watercolor paint. It is very fun to use. But the next gel we're talking about, which is the 4-in-1 nail glue, can be a dupe for watercolor gel because you can also use this gel as watercolor gel. It has the same effect. But this 4-in-1 gel glue is most commonly used when you are gluing down your Gel X nails, which are these clear fake nails. It works really well for that. I love using this to apply my Gel X nails because it lasts us a very long time. Next is Builder Gel in a bottle. Builder Gel can be used to enhance natural nails, and if you want to see a full guide to doing that, please click in the I button or down in the description box down below, and it can add strength to your natural nails if you build it correctly. Also, you can use Builder Gel to do 3D nail art, such as this like candy nail look I have right here. You can build out the gel to make any shape and nail art that you like. And when you're creating 3D nail art, another thing you can use is clear sculpting gel. It is a super thick clear gel that you can use to make 3D images on your nails. Now, keep in mind, you never want to touch any of these gels with your hands because you could get gel allergy. So make sure you always wear gloves. So basically, you can sculpt a heart or any 3D image with it. Or should I say what the bottle says here, 5D. Also, another gel used in the 3D nail art space, which is this non-stick hand extension gel. It is a thick gel, almost like a resin clay, but for your nails. It is pretty much the thickest you can go when it comes to modeling gel. And it is non-stick, so you can use your hands to take it and model whatever 3D design that you want. But like I said, you want to 100% make sure that you're always wearing some nice gloves when you are using this gel because you do not want to touch the gel to get gel allergy. And it does not stick to your hands, so you can just sit and mold it into whatever shape that you want. And then we have the just tried and true good old gel base coat, gel top coat. Gel base coat being the first thing you apply to your nails before you apply your gel color. And then we have gel top coat to seal in your manicure. But on that top coat note, there's also matte top coat that makes your nails matte once it is cured in the lamp. And then also we have laser top coat, which is a nice glittery reflective top coat that you can apply. And it's basically just a clear gel with glitter in it. Now, what gel are you gonna use? Well, for me, I think I'm gonna do an awesome foil manicure. So I'm gonna take the foil gel. Hello, my name is Vanna, and I'm your friendly neighborhood DIY nail artist, and I would love to teach you how to do your own nails at home. So please hit me up on that follow button, and let's continue to save money on doing our nails and expressing our creativity right here from our own rooms. So please click right here for our journey to continue. And remember, our dreams will send to the highest peak. Love ya. I'll see you in my next video. Meow. Bye.